Well, this is, of course, a golf cart, but in actual fact, it's more than a golf cart. So, Dean, tell us about this and what makes it different.
This is the latest Yamaha PTV, stands for Personal Transport Vehicle, and it is your traditional golf cart at the moment, but it can be used for all sorts of different things, really. You know,
you see them at the airport, for
goodness sake. You see them at the airport, retirement villages, at malls, even just as a utility vehicle on your lifestyle block at home.
So you've got the options of petrol and electric. Why choose one over the other?
It's very much personal preference, really. If you don't have a power source for charging it, wherever you're storing it, you'll go petrol. You know, you've got 488 Ks to a tank, so you can get a good 5 or 6 rounds out of a tank. But if you've got access to power and you want to go the environmentally friendly option, then electric's the way to go.
And the colour is great. Mag wheels, so you can accessorise, you can customise it
Absolutely.
To whatever you want.
You can have all sorts of different accessories on them, club and ball washers, chili bins, rear bag covers, an assortment of different wheels.
The lights, of course, you've got that.
LED headlights, tail lights.
You've got this nice rear view mirror, so you know when you're backing.
Yes,
you've
it
got
comes with standard
protection here from the screen.
Yes, that's folding, two-piece folding windscreen.
The feature that would probably stand out is the USB port, so you can charge your phone as you're going around the golf course or the retirement village. It's cup holders. I tell you what, it's luxury.
It is.